guys, welcome back to this next episode of our book creation. So in this video we are going to be creating a bonus page, how to add bonuses to our books. So now what you want to add now is meal planner journal. So you can just go to your Canva right now and download this kind of cover, this kind of meal planner. Can you see this is the cover and this is the interior? So you can just download it, the two together, and after downloading it you come back here. So like I used to tell you, you draw a shape. Now you can draw it like this, just to insert the bonus. You can draw it like this. Now just come down, draw. You see the line. Can you see? I think it's not even popping out the line. Just make sure it's on. Can you see the line now? It's on the line. So this is it, guys. After drawing it like this, then you click on shape fill. You click on add picture. Then you go to your computer and add the picture. Now go to from a file, download. Where's my download? This is it. Then you click on the first cover, which is it. Can you see, guys? This is our first cover. So just leave it like this. You can remove the outline, like I used to tell you, so that it will look more beautiful. You can remove the outline like this. Then you want to add the interior. Now you come like that again, click on shape fill, click on picture, click on browse. Then this is the interior, this one number 2. Then click enter. So can you see, this is our interior. Now you don't want to leave it like this, guys. You can remove the outline. So it depends on you on how many interior you want to add in your new in your book. But as for me, maybe I can, this is 90 pages, maybe I can just add maybe 10 more or 9 more, so that it will fill up to 100. So what you want to do right now is click on control enter. Can you see? Control enter. Depends on how many pages you want to add. Can you just continue clicking on it? Control enter. Okay, I think it's okay for me like this. Now what you want to do now is copy this one. Just right click on it and copy. So after copying it, just come to the top like this, through to the top, and start adding it. Just click on this one picture that shows paste option. Click on picture. So I'll write 1. This is 1. I'll write the second one 2, the third one 3, the next one 4, next one 5, next one 6, 7, 8. Depend on how many you want to add, guys. But as for me, I'm just adding 10. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 meal planner in my own book right now. So the next thing we want to do is, another thing that makes our book sell is, and if you want to add a bonus, is putting a email. Remember that we said that they can reach out to us here. That's our first thing. If you haven't watched it, go back to the first video and you see what we did here. They said they can reach out to us if they have any problem in this book. So our email, this is where we are going to put the email, this reach out, like. So I can just click on link. Where's the link? Edit hyperlink. So now our email that they will put is I think I know it, Kerry Criswell. This is my pen name, Criswell at gmail.com. So whenever someone click on this reach out, anytime they click on the reach out, they will land on my inside my email, and they will tell me whatever they want to tell me. So this is one of the strategy that I'm changing the name, Kerry Criswell. Kerry Criswell. These are pen name. I don't even like this. Let me change the color of this. Let me do something like green. Okay, green is okay. It's showing now. Criswell. So this is our book, guys. This is our book now. So the next thing we want to do now is, I think we are done with this bonus part. So the next thing we want to do now is add table of content. So in my next video, I will be adding table of content to our books. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and ask any question in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. Okay, so do have a nice night, do have a nice time. Bye.